Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your Wells Fargo Mortgage account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type wellsfargo.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the home page of Wells Fargo. What we want to do to log into our mortgage account is be right under here under the personal section. And if we look over the section, we will find something like home loans. Just hover over this home loans section, and right here at the very right, under this mortgage services tab, you will find something like manage your account. Simply click on it. If you scroll down, you will find something like sign on. Simply click on it. You will then be redirected to a new page where it will ask you to enter your username or password. Simply enter both of them. And in case you forgot any one of them, here is the button that says forgot username or password. Click on it and follow the prompts. That way you can again regain access to your account. Now let's enter our credentials. In case everything is okay, simply hit on the sign in. And do note, you can also click on the save username checkbox. It is completely optional. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you sign in to your Wells Fargo mortgage account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.